Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Redis on a Linux Ubuntu machine. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is open up a terminal, and we're going to be using the apt-get repository or dependency manager. Okay, so first thing we want to do is run an update. So we're going to say sudo, which allows us to run it as root, and then apt-get update. Okay, you're going to have to put in your password, and that'll just take a second. Okay, next thing we're going to do is run upgrade. So sudo apt-get upgrade, and that might take a little bit longer. I'm going to say yes, and that'll just update any software that it needs to. Alright, so now that everything's updated, we can go ahead and install Redis server. So we can do that with sudo apt-get install redis-server. Yes. Alright, so now that's installed. Now it's good practice to make a copy of the default configuration file before we do anything. So we're going to use the cp command to copy, and we're going to say /etc/redis/redis.conf, and then we're going to move it to the same folder, the same location, except we're going to call it redis.conf.default. Permission denied. Okay, so we just need to use sudo. Alright, so now that that's copied, we should be able to run the server. So we'll just say Redis server. Okay, and you can see that it's running on port 6379. So what I'll do now is open up another terminal, and everything should be all set. We should be able to now say, let's do Redis CLI, and that brings us into the client. And if we do a quick ping, we just say ping, it should give us back Pong, and that's how we know everything is set up. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to show you how to install Redis on a Windows machine. Okay, so I will see you then.